It was a for coming home na yenko Amasamine Stadium Road. Yekadia the biggest interchange back a kwan we so omo no Amasamine Stadium Road interchange no. I know to say yenko hon yenko hwe adia esi wo. So far we can see said the government of the land right away John Dramani Mahama, President John Dramani Mahama has really done well just call upon the stakeholders and also those who are in charge of the road to just come on board to continue the project, because when the ex-president of the land, President Nana Addo left this project, it was really a hectic for the community at large, just to bear those pain that that is really causing them when they're using the street. And most drivers used to complain about how the road is hurting them a lot. So I'm doing so another so to me now we will say indeed the president of the land really don't adhere to their their call. Now I'm afraid the contractors any before I'm count so almost embra site now I'm my eduma into no buy now she juma dia edi okwan so a meka say aban wa yade mama yenka se wa yade nipa yade osai to hwa asphalt na say yegu no asphalt tumsa asphalt na say yegu a from Amasamine Stadium Junction no echo Pobimai area ho yeka dia China Mall area spontly area ho na de say omegu asphalt na akodru a omogu so a omo efisa ekwan no so ede aba Macedonia na omo so ede aba na infifini so oma ayere omegu so kakran to hwa kaye bai ekofrodi ahia ede ku site baako to say ono so we hia de say also so akọ the other side ho na watu akọ to the so to hwa aha say no say kadia overpass I say no omawie side back na aka metallic pillars are omo basis no and also na so we na bypass na omo go so omo ye then ohwe hana bus stop into omo allocate bus stop junctions no na say and also omo go so a omo eye ho adwuma na omo wi a omo tumi akọ different location now and also market to us. So I had opportunity to say I will just go with you on a driving tour so that you can see how they've really done this road. Very very nice. Draining this so on my covet no my year this some of the slabs it go so far no in so be ato a entire kwanim na airing afa covet nim and they say no so etumi ewura ho na akofefefe nti akwan de omo wi na say omo kleni ahia no ne bibia fiso a we can say kwa way every one of the roads are buying way and abanada na ede mo nkabo mu na so maye amana efe ye Ghana for ye nim say e people na ye you say this na ye da ye dem say aban biara ba omo modern na ontumi ye ekwan emaye nti ye Ghana for nti no ye be pre papa amaye ho nti ye dem say ye pekwan nti wo abeba na wawie ne wo abeba na wahase ne nia ne say ekwan no emunda ho na dwumadi a ye di no each and every day bia na akona ba no eno so enye easy emaye nti sana Ghana for eka we na interviews am meeting no I will be playing the interview for you so that mom say enye say omo energy every pin this one that be ekwan am so mo ye nti no hwa ekwan double road we 10 lane na omo efi ofanko eho no edaba no eno na say we nego so a amugo so amoye nti every sector bia no amugo so amoye please my donors say yes my crash drone nti shiro say hana say so dom ya with the drone I better was crash drone into me reviews kakra on top just I don't more than say that so that you can just help us to just do something about it. I say in a sifa airco so ye in the project be organa hana so per say ye nko kovamawa ye pa show ye side jumade na say ye parties ye weddings ye events na say open say bloggers ekwase eko cover event mawa Billy Snaps your TikTok your Facebook your YouTube and also ye di hu dwuma na yakova na also ye twa kovama na ujumede na IFF na trend so hand the numbers no and the go screen so 059146 2646. We just take executive event into we be offer I be am not say dwumadi or online into you do toma toma just say hono and so dwumadi kase so e koso ho hwa de ahana ebe fele na amaya level not to say overpass you pay cars ever so na easy na say no so I get very nice one about Calabas here now also I say you return back to reactions and no more tibusia more na share videos more likely na and back say more about no here and share videos say them each and every day you make it a point to watch our videos so that we can also keep on doing what we do with your motivation. We always say thank you. A big thanks to my sponsors, Power Foods or sponsor now. Motors or Wahine Motors. Thanks for also sponsoring us on this amazing project right over here. My name is Billy and you're watching Billy Snaps on YouTube.